guys, it's been more than 1.5 years since I've moved into my HDB BTO. Today I'll give a more updated home tour to show you the current state of my place and what changes I've made to it. Let's get started. Starting from the entryway, we added a little shoe bench for us to sit down while we change our shoes. We also changed a bit of the decorations on top and also hung a letter organizer on our DB box door. We find that putting socks near the entrance is a very good idea, so we hung an organizer for it inside our DB box. We also made use of the extendable rods from Daiso to use them as stopper for our shoes at the bottom. A bigger addition to our place is this mini chest of drawers. This is where we place our keys and also masks, so it's really easy to take them when we head out. Inside the drawers, there are necessities like plasters, wires, and things like that. I definitely added a lot of things on our bomb shelter door. I love how it's magnetic, so I can just play around and don't have to worry so much when I put things on. My parents are going to renovate their place, so I've been bringing things over for the past few weeks. As a result, my storeroom is now super packed, so I got this extra bench to put some of my soft toys. It also doubles up as a seat when guests come. My living room used to be very Scandi boho. Some time ago, I just decided to switch things up. I added more colors and make it more dopamine coated, if that's the word. Basically, I changed out my carpet first. I got this one from IKEA. I also changed my cushion covers to more vibrant colors. This recliner chair is from my parents' home. I just brought it over and don't know where to put it. I used to hang a little plant on top of my ceiling, hanging down. I removed it because it's so troublesome to go up there and water it. I replaced it with a wind chime. At this side of my living room, there is an arch wall. I almost changed everything on this arch wall from very Scandi bohemian beige style to very vibrant decoration. I love this corner where I put little dinosaurs on my Marshall speaker, and I also made use of the walls more recently by hanging decorations on it. I also changed out my side table to this one with drawers, so I have more storage. So this is a closer look of my arch wall. Basically everything is just pastel, colorful, quirky. I just like how it looks right now. This is definitely not everyone's cup of tea. I know majority of Singaporeans still prefer the beige Scandi aesthetic for their home, but I just feel like this really makes me happy, and even if I regret, I can always just change things out. Other than the decorations, I don't think much changes have been made to our living room. So let's move on to our kitchen area. Our coffee nook has definitely become more cluttered as time goes by. I do get bothered when things are cluttered, but recently I learned to let go and just see them as signs of living. It's okay to just let go of that stress of organizing every time. I regret choosing shaker style cabinets for my kitchen because dust accumulates on the ledges all the time. I won't do it next time for sure. Other changes I made to the kitchen includes hanging kitchen tools I use often on the wall, and also adding this cart for more space for the necessities in the kitchen. I know I'm contradicting, but I hate dust, but I also added a bunch of dust accumulating things on my kitchen island. The wooden box for me to put Snoopy decorations, and also this snack bar to put snacks I often eat. I also framed and hung up this Peanuts comic poster that I got from Japan. Near the service yard, we have a new mini oven, and we got an extendable rack to put over it so it holds more appliances on top. I kind of regret not getting a taller rack in the first place. So if you watched our previous videos, you know we hacked down a room, and the biggest change we've made this year is to convert this space into my working space. I own a small sticker business, and I used to keep all of my stocks at my parents' place, even after we moved over. So in the recent events, we moved everything over, and this is where I pack my orders and keep my stickers. I've been procrastinating bringing all my stationeries over, but finally they all came, and this is where they are right now. I look forward to do more bullet journaling in this cozy home of mine. Recently, I have a little obsession over Sultanian families, little babies, so I pasted this house on the wall and create a little space for them. Not joking when I tell you I have a lot of stickers. This is where I place them, right beside my desk on this little trolley, and the washi tapes are right below in little drawers. These are definitely the biggest additions to my place since I've moved in. The EverDesk standing desk and also the ErgoTune Supreme chair. Making use of 3 customizable settings of the EverDesk, I set 1 as my sitting height, 2 as my standing height, and 3 as the height just nice for my ErgoTune chair to slide in when the desk is not in use. My work from home lifestyle has definitely become more healthy ever since I started using the health coach controller on my EverDesk to stay active while working with smart sit stand reminders. And one of the most important features to me is that I can add wheels to my desk so that it can move around and I can free up space if needed. And the Uni-Groove system on my EverDesk has definitely helped me to be more organized with my wires. And the laptop stand that EverDesk has sent me has also helped me work at the correct eye level with my laptop. And of course, I must mention the modular tabletop shelf and pegboard panels to help to hold the little things that makes me happy on my desk. And last but not least, let's talk about the ErgoTune Supreme V3 chair that makes my workspace complete. I work on my laptop a lot, and I admit that I have really bad posture before I use the ErgoTune Supreme V3 chair. I really love the lumbar support. It has improved my lower back pain, and also the neck support that is easily customizable to fit my posture. And I've been using it as my dining chair because it is just so comfortable. Having the EverDesk and ErgoTune chair is such a big upgrade. I'm really grateful to be able to work in such a happy workspace. Do check out the link in my description if you're looking to upgrade your space too. Now let's move on to the room where my wardrobe is. It has become my husband's man cave, and this is his workspace. And yes, he does work with an ultra long monitor, I don't know why. And I actually kept the Toy Story theme in this room because he doesn't mind it. This is also his workout space, so there is an exercising bike and also his dumbbells and this foldable treadmill. To house more Toy Story collectibles we brought over from my parents' place, we upgraded our IKEA Billy bookcase to a bigger and taller one with glass panel doors. On top, it holds all the toys, and below, it is a covered space for my husband's stuff. So for the original Billy bookcase we had in this room, we actually shifted it outside the room, right opposite the common toilet. So we have clean towels, room fragrance, body fragrance, candles, and lots of other random stuff on this shelf. I really want to get doors for this shelf because we have too many open shelves that accumulate dust, but we haven't got time to get it, so we will do it soon. I thought it's pretty cute to display my claw clips like this, and I also place some crystals and little knickknacks on top of this shelf. So now for the last part, let's move on to our bedroom. So I used to have my Duffy and Friends soft toys on my bed, but recently we also bought this glass cabinet from IKEA to house all my Duffy collection. It is really affordable at $89, but do note that it is a little bit difficult to fix, especially if you're alone. So this full-length mirror with storage from Taobao used to be in the wardrobe room. It is now in the master bedroom and it holds all my makeup and accessories. Behind it holds my perfume collection, and this is where I prep before I go out. There are also more things on my chest of drawer now. We have perfume, candles, crystals. It's a little bit cluttered, but I did try and make it more organized in a way. I also hung all the frame decoration on the wall to make space for other things. In front of our bed, we added a little bookshelf and also a white drawer that holds my camera and accessories. The only change that I made to my bathroom is adding this little shelf to hold our bath bombs and bath salts so we can easily select them when we take a bath. So this is the end of the upgraded home tour of mine. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.